we got the phone. So what I basically did is that I bought a new phone. So here it is. It's a Samsung Galaxy S8, not Plus, but just S8. As you can see, it's really smashed up. The back side is really smashed up, and the front screen too. So this is the result of somebody dropping their phone, or seems like somebody raged on this phone, probably. So here is the slot for the SD card. So I'm using a SIM ejector to eject the SIM tray. Good news, there is no SIM card left, so nor any SD card, so seems good. Plug that phone in and let's turn it on. So this screen just flickers, and you can see it just green, and here also this screen is completely smashed up. I would say it's quite unusable, so I will need to change the whole screen. It does not react, it's completely dead, so I will not probably charge this phone up. First I'm going to change the battery, the screen and the backside, and then I'm going to charge it up and see if it does work. Let's check how much juice it is drawing. So the phone takes 5 volts and a charge of 500 milliamps. So I'm going to repair the phone in the future or next video. So if you subscribe, then you will not miss that, and it will help me so I can then in the future continue uploading more videos on this subject. So I will change Samsung phones, and then maybe I will go to iPhones and other brands. So subscribe, definitely, it will help me.